Good morning, children.
Morning.
It is Friday and it's Star Assembly and it's lovely to see you all. I hope you're all watching. All week you have been doing so much work at home. We are really, really proud of you, and your teachers have told me the amazing things that you've been doing, and we have awarded some stars to some children. So I'm going to start with nursery, and this is for somebody who is a girl. And it says, Olivia has been working really hard at home and I have enjoyed seeing the photographs. Keep it up. And it's for Olivia Holden, so that must be from Mrs Gordon. Well done, Olivia. Next, reception. And this will be Miss Henderson. And Miss Henderson says, Mobin has been completing home learning tasks every day, including amazing artwork and beautiful writing on his Big Bad Wolf wanted poster. That is fantastic, good boy. So we will send that in the post to your house. Next, Miss Copeland. This is a boy. And Miss Copeland says, well done, Harris, for sharing his photographs of the fabulous VE Day decorations that his family made and their exciting plans for the weekend, including fundraising for the NHS, and while being very, very safe at home while they did it. That is fantastic. Miss Copeland says, well done, Harris. Big clap for doing that, well done. And then we have somebody from Miss Hankinson's class, and it goes to Habiba. Well done, you've got a certificate for being busy writing at home. It was lovely to receive a picture this week. Well done. There you go, well done. That will go to your house in the post. And my last one now, and it is for somebody in Year 1, and it says, to Zane. Well done, Zane, for believing in himself to complete tasks to the best of his ability. He would always work so hard, that's what your teacher says, even if you found the things tricky, so well done. Mr Holden, who have you got?
Okay, so my first certificate goes to somebody in Class 1C, and this is for completing lots of home learning. He has been trying really hard, and all with a smile on his face. So read that there. All with a smile on his face. Well done to Brogan Foster.
Well done.
Okay, the next one is again somebody from Year 1. It's from Class 1P, and this is for completing lots of amazing work from home and for brightening Mr Shank's day by being so polite and kind on the phone. Well, that's lovely. And that goes to Oreo Faye. Okay, so there you go. Well done. That certificate is going to make its way to you in the post. Okay, on to Year 2 then. My first Year 2 certificate goes to somebody in 2S. And this is for working really hard at home, practicing her multiplications daily. Well done, we are proud of you. And that goes to Brooke Nellist. Well done, Brooke. The next one is for somebody in 2C. And this says he constructed a lovely ship in the garden using cardboard boxes. It was magnificent. He put lots of effort in and sent me photos. So your teacher's been very impressed with that. So well done to Arwell. Super work. Finally, the last certificate is for somebody from 2P, and this says, for all his hard work and perseverance with learning at home, we are all so proud of you. And that goes to Troy. Well done, Troy. There we go.
I always remember Troy is a very good artist. I wonder if you're doing lots of artwork at home, Troy. Well done, it's lovely doing the stars. We are so impressed with all your work. Keep sending it in, keep being good for your mums and dads, and hopefully now some of the things have changed. You might be able to go to the park and get out a little bit more, and remember to keep washing your hands, it is so important. Okay, lovely to see you all and see you next week. Bye bye.